Where did all my apps go? I just downloaded a couple, now I don't know where to find them. Super easy, guys. Once you've downloaded any applications, they go into your My Apps area. You go across to the three little squares plus sign, click on it. There's all my apps. Now if you want to quickly send them to the front of the favorites toolbar there, click your little hamburger button on your remote. Move to the front. Go to Pluto. Let's move it to the front. Go to Tubi. Let's move it to the front. We can make it whatever you want. You want to put in, if you have Disney down here, you can move it to the front. You want to put your photos down there instead, let's move it to the front. All right, now we can go to our home screen and look at that. Right along the little favorites toolbar, we got Tubi, Pluto, Downloader, a VPN, of course, Rumble, and Prime. Guys, super easy. Check it out.